What's kicking, y'all? Kwikpanik here, and I'm back in gear. Don't you have no fear, today's episode is Pokemon flavored, and I've got booster packs to open. Oh my god, though, you've already done so many of those. Wait, guess what? I also have some cool boxes that came in from the Pokemon Center, and they're full of plushies that I purchased. If you don't know, Sitting Cuties is a line of plushies that Pokemon Center does, Pokemon Company does, and they just released Gen 2, which is my favorite gen, so we're going to open those in a little bit. But I have a whole bunch of booster packs. I figured it was time for another episode of Hyper Rare Hunter, so I got the last two Burning Shadows packs that they had. I got an art set of Unified Minds, and then I was supposed to get an art set of Unbroken Bonds, but the guy grabbed an extra pack and gave this to me, so I couldn't not take it. He's like, oh, I'll put one back. And I was like, no, you can't do that. Because I'm superstitious. I'm like, you're going to put back the good one. So, all those packs are open. I'm going to actually start with this tin. If you guys don't know, they have these little collectible tins at Walmart, Target, and, collectible shops. And they have, like, some really horrible packs in them, I'm pretty sure. I am in it because the tins look so cool. Like, the art on this is amazing. You don't see Psyduck and Mew together in tins normally. So it comes with... what? That goes on the back. But it also comes with, like, a little postcard deal. And if you collect all of them, it makes a scene. So you can see there on the back. It makes a scene with, like, Charizard, Dragonite, and the other ones. So those are pretty cool if you're interested in that kind of thing. I think this is, like, Crimson Invasion and XY... or Ancient Origins. Okay, we also got this Ninetales coin, Alolan Ninetales, and if you've watched my videos, you know I have 500 billion of them, but we're really here for the tin. So, if we get anything out of this, that'll be a bonus. Let's actually start with Ancient Origins. I have no clue what you can get in here. I'm going to assume that you can get Mega Rayquaza, Primal Groudon, and Primal Kyogre. I don't know how... there we go. There's your code card. I don't know if anybody even wants that. 1, 2, 3. There is no energy. Let's flip it around. Pass it around. We got ourselves an energy. Recycler. Whimsicott. We got ourselves a Tyranitar Spirit Link. Eevee. Today, they announced the evolution of Farfetch'd. Surfetch'd. And I'm pretty excited for Sword and Shield. So let me know. That's the reverse. And the rare is a Registeel. Let me know if you are excited for Sword and Shield in the comment section down below, because there will be some Sword and Shield content on the channel outside of packs. I'm talking video games. You guys, most of the people who watch my channel now probably weren't around when I did the Nuzlocke. There is your code card. But there's a Soul Silver Nuzlocke on my channel. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's Fairy. And I miss playing the video games on this channel. So that'll be coming in November. All right, we got Zvilus, Devour Field. Oh, that's a good Pilot Swine card. Look, it's father and son. We got ourselves a Mankey. Okay. Aron, Quarterfish, a Ghastly, Dashing Pouch, and the rare. Camera up. See, guys, that was $10 or $9 or something like that. Unless you really want the tin, unless you want that mini collectible tin, highly advise against it. Okay, let's start. We're going to do... Garchomp right here. Garchomp Giratina. We're going to start with Unified Minds. I still haven't pulled the Umbreon and Darkrai that I want. Okay. Well, we just ruined that. So these are on the front. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's fighting. It's not ground. It's not rock. We got ourselves a Doublade. Whoops. Doublade. We got a Rangaroo, Lurantis, Meditite, Shroomish, Slickoth, Drifloon, Jupiter. We got a Reverse Fracture, and the rare is a Meloetta. Stop making the color of the code cards tell us what we're going to get in the pack. Okay, let's do an Unbroken Bonds now. I'm just choosing these. Wait, that's not even Unbroken Bonds. I'm just doing these willy-nilly. Let's go ahead and go into Sylveon and Gardevoir. Ooh, this Sandshrew looks amazing. Okay, well, there is your code card. It's okay, when they come out of the booster box... I guess it's like that. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's grass. It's not leaf. Say leaf. Get out. We got ourselves a Rhydon, Frogadier, Glysaur. Kind of like that one. We got a Sandshrew. Look, you tickle his tummy. Please. Aron. We got a Tentacool, Squirtle, Oddish. We got a De-Evolution Spray, and the rare is a Kartana. I'm kind of not Not a fan of Carton anymore. We pulled too many out of Hidden Fates. Let's go back to Unified Minds. I want to go with Mewtwo Mew. Yeah, this is going to be a good one. It'd be nice if we could... Oh my gosh. I just said... Just flip it around. I just said it. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's Fairy. All right, we got ourselves a Thundurus. I've opened too many packs where it's properly packed, where the color is just flipped on the opposite side. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Terrakion and the rare. Frostlass. I don't even think I have that card, but it's a holo. We take those. We take those holos. Okay, how many packs is that? Blah, 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 blah. Let's go into Burning Shadows now. So I made 2 orders of the Sitting Cuties. So I'll probably break these up by putting the Sitting Cuties. Oh my gosh. Of course it's not the same for Burning Shadows. What the heck? 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's water, not ice. We got probably garbage. Soul Rock. This guy. Meowth. Vulpix. Wimpod. Togedemaru. Krogunk. Alola Ninetales. And the rare is garbage. We already know that because you spoiled it. Pokemon Company. I'm just saying. Let me get one more. Let's get one of the Charizards. I think this is the one I almost left behind. We'll never know. But if one of these packs is good, there is your code card. Ha! Did it correctly that time. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's fire. This pack's gonna be fire. Here comes Tyrogue, Green's Exploration, Rhydon, Growlithe. We got a Rhyhorn, Poliwag, Diglett, Bellsprout. The reverse is a Glysaur. And the rare is an Aggron. Wait. Oh wait, we didn't get this one spoiled. I was like, I thought it was gonna be holo. I was wishing it was gonna be holo. Okay, so we got all those. We got 2, 3. Hold on. Let's just do one more of these, and then we'll open one of the boxes of Sitting Cuties. There's a lot of them, just for the record. There is your code card. Hope you enjoy. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's Fairy. All right. We got ourselves an Energy Spinner. Triple Acceleration Energy. Glysaur. Ghostly. Sandshrew. Aeron. Tentacool. Squirtle. Kingler. And the rare is an Arbok. Okay. It's going to be fine, because that last Burning Shadows, Rainbow Charizard. I can already feel it. I can feel it in my Q-bones. Okay, we'll save these for after we open this first box. So I spent like $150 on these. So if you don't know what they are, they're like just like the Ivysaur that was in the thumbnail. He's sitting down, so you can like put him on your desk. It's only $10.99 or $11.99, something like that per plushie. So it's a great way to get some sort of representation of your favorite Pokemon, because they did all of the original 151. Then they did all of Johto, including all 20, what is that, 26, 27, 28 unknown. So, okay, this is the second order I put in. I put in one order, and afterwards I was like, oh my gosh, I forgot this one, this one, this one. So let's get into these. The first one we got is Espeon. Let me crack into this somehow. These look amazing. So we got a beautiful little Espeon. The quality is really nice. This is like the super soft plushies. You know, there's like 2 kinds of Pokemon Center plushie, or Pokemon Company plushie. This is the super soft one. It feels like bunny fur. So that, oh, she looks so good. I'm excited. I was able to get like all of my favorite Pokemon in plushie form. Like, there's already been Espeon and Umbreon. The next one is Haunter. He looks so cool. I can't believe they made a plushie of him. It's so hard to do that because of his hands. But anyway, it's an opportunity to get your favorite Pokemon in plushie form. Oh, they gave him arms. That's cheating. They should have made him float. Duh. But look at Haunter. He looks so good. Jet. Okay, I have a follower who loves Haunter. It's his favorite Pokemon. He's gonna flip over this one. All right, next up, we got my favorite evolution of Chikorita, Bayleaf. Chikorita, I need an adult. Chikorita doesn't have my favorite design, but I love Bayleaf and actually Meganium. So, there we go. Enjoy all the crinkles. Look at her leaf. Okay, these need to be pushed down. Maybe I'll put a rubber band on them so they stay that way. But look at her freaking leaf. Oh my gosh. This looks so good. So happy about this. I'll post a picture of all of them together on the Instagram. And then I got Totodile. Totodile, fun fact, was my first ever Gen 2 starter back in, what, like 2000? I can do this. You know, I have the technology. There we go. Look at him. This is my first ever starter in silver version. Oh my gosh, he looks so good. And then, from my second order, this is the last one I got. I want to go back and get Celebi and Suicune, I think. But I got Scizor. This actually looks pretty cool to me. I'm not sure why. They just did him really well. So, okay. So, we'll get into more packs here. Let's go for Burning Shadows. And then I have one more box of Sitting Cuties. These are all old cards, so I'm just going to do the... Okay, so this one is code card upside down. Deal with it. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's steel, not metal. For sure not metal. Can confirm. All right, we got Rotom Dex, Super Scoop Up, Electabuzz. We got an Inkay, a Ralts, Crabrawler, Sneasel, Venipede. The reverse is a Meowth, and the rare is a Malamar. You thought it was a Charizard, didn't you? Because I said, and I was wrong. Let's get into Unified Minds. We'll go with... No, we'll save that one for last. We got Espeon here. I love Umbreon and Espeon. That's why I had to get the plushies. There is your code card. Upside down. Enjoy. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's grass. Don't you dare say leaf. All right, we got a Komala. Dhelmise! Cresselia. Munna. We got ourselves a Pikachu, Bidoof, Cosmog, Magmar. Reverses Cresselia, and the rare is garbage. Bye, Drifloon. Bye. All right. One of these has to redeem themselves. Please. Bam. There is your code. Enjoy. I put my thumb over it real quick. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. Fighting. Fighting, guys. That's fighting. We got a Cleffa. Haunter. Gloom. Cottony. Caterpie. Darumaka. Porygon. We got ourselves an Esper. The reverse is a Wartortle. And the rare. Ooh! Full Art Reds challenge. Yes, sir. All right. I was not expecting a hit. I am so demoralized. I've been wanting this one. Oh, man. This is so cool. I'm so happy I get to add this to my collection. Woo, baby. Okay, this is successful. I don't even care. I don't even care that we also got Rainbow Reshiram and Charizard. Just kidding. Maybe not. Let's do one more Unified Minds. I'll put that there in the background. And then we'll do our Unbroken Bonds pack. Here is your code card. Hope you enjoy. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's fire. This pack's gonna be fire. We got a Mesprit, Sableye, Lapras, Dwebble, Luna. We got our Pikachu, Bidoof, Cosmog, Fungus, and the rare. Last pack magic. Actually, before we get into the last pack, let's do the rest of the Sitting Cuties. I'll go through them fast. They're my favorites, but I'll go through them fast. You guys have an idea of what the Sitting Cuties are. So, this is actually the first order I placed, and it has all my favorite Pokies from Gen 2. Oh man, there's so many in here too. Okay. This one? Yes. Okay. I got Unknown as the letter K for Kwikpanik. This one I'm super excited about. We were never getting a plushie of this otherwise, but we got Girafarig. Look at his tail. He's so happy. I love Girafarig so much. It's such a weird Pokemon to like. I know. I'm sorry. Then we got Gojira himself. Tyranitar. He looks cute like this. Oh, okay. Then, oof, the best legendary dog. Crystal version should have been about my boy Raikou, honestly. He looks really good. Raikou and Suicune and Entei looked really good. I highly recommend you get them in this plush form if you like those guys. Then we got my favorite box legendary, Lugia. He looks a little derpy, but I love him. All right. My favorite evolution. Oh, Umbreon. Going right next to Espeon. And the Sitting Cutie I've been waiting for eons. Oh my gosh. I've never been able to get a plush of him until now. We got Quilava. He looks a little derpy. But he's my favorite Pokemon. Gosh, diggity darn it. I appreciate all of the support, guys. If you wouldn't mind leaving a like on the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Appreciate your support. Let's get into this last pack. If you guys are looking for more Hidden Fates content, that'll be coming this week with the Elite Trainer boxes. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. Last pack. Let's do it. We got ourselves a Hitmontop, Beastbringer. We got a Krokorok, Meltan, Rhyhorn, Doduo, Spritzy, Gligar, Froakie. Follow me on Twitch too, because please. And the rare. I let you down. But we got this Reds challenge, and I've got a Quilava. So this is like the best combination of things I could have gotten. Can we focus on red for a second? There we go. That's all I've got for today. Hope you guys have an awesome day. Later.